In today's video, I'll show you how to request payments from someone using the PayPal website. This is a great way to remind someone that they owe you money for a product or service and that it's time to settle up. First, open paypal.com and log into your account. I've skipped the login process in this video since I'm sure you already know how to do it. Now, from the home page, click on Pay and Get Paid. Next, click on Request Money. You'll find this option on the right side. In the field provided, enter the details of the person or people you want to send a request to. You can add multiple recipients and send the request to all of them at once. For demonstration, I'll add a random account. You can add up to 20 accounts in a single money request. Once you've added the desired accounts, click on the blue Next button. Enter the amount of money owed to you. Below that, add a description to remind the recipients why you're requesting this payment. When everything is set, click on Request a Payment. That's it. You'll see a confirmation screen showing that your request has been sent. You can also check the status of your request in the Activity tab on your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.